So this is the training for the Liberty Voters canvassing app. The URL is votersforliberty.com. The canvasser would come into the website. It would be presented with a login screen. You would type in the username and password, and it brings you to the first page. There's only two things that they would see. There's the voter canvas option, and then the logout on the other side. So this is what the canvasser would be presented with. They would have a list of workbooks that they can select. This one only has one, so you would just select the workbook that you're interested in. There's several options here of doing either a map of the voters, doing the voter list, address list, or just the individuals. If you do the map, you hit submit, and it will present the canvasser with a map of all of the voters. Once in there, it has different colors for the pins. So the green ones, no one's actually talked to the voters yet. The yellow ones, someone's talking to the voter at the moment. There are blue pins and light blue pins. Light blue pins are the ones that people have spoken to, but there may be follow-up, for example, left a voicemail or had to leave documentation, hang tag. The blue one is they've spoke to the voter and got all the information that they need. If you then click on one of the pins, it brings all of the people for that particular house, all the voters in that house, so it presents the address, has a call script, so the canvassers can say, hi, my name is Neil, I'm from Liberty Voters and doing a quality check on the Virginia voter roll. It then presents the actual voters with telephone numbers if need be, and then questions. The call script is all configurable for each workbook, so you can have different questions for different workbooks. And each of the questions are presented for all of the voters at that house. And then right at the bottom, there is an outcome that would allow you to say whether you talked to the person, whether there was no answer, whether it's a resident, those kind of things. Again, this is all configurable. Once you're finished, you hit submit request, and it will store that information and then color the pin accordingly that you actually spoke to the person. So that's how you would do it from a map view to actually go through and store all the information for the voters. If we go back to the voter canvas, if you look at the voter list, hit submit, it gives you the same information. This is just in a list view versus a map view. You can click on the actual people. Again, it's the same information. This is only one person that you've selected, and so it's just the information for that one person. Same information as the other. This is just an individual voter versus multiple voters. Again, once you've filled out all the information, you can hit submit request. That will store the information. Next voter will go to the next voter within the list, and return to list will just go back to the list of voters. So going back to the voter canvas, the next one would be the address list. This is just the same as the map view, except for it gives you a list. You click on an actual address. It presents the same information that it would in the map view, has the address, the call script, and all the questions that have been created for that particular workbook. Similar to the individuals, you submit a request, would store the information, next address goes to the next one, and return to list just goes back. If we go back to voter canvas, individual will just loop through all of the individuals in that workbook. So it just presents the first one, you hit submit request, next voter. So it's all very simple, it's all the same kind of information, and that's basically all there is for canvassing with Liberty Voters. Log out just logs you out.